Alright, I'm going to do mean, median, mode, and range in calculators. Now, we really only do the mean and median in calculators. Mode and range are both easy to do without calculators, but there's a shortcut on the calculator to finding the median and the mean. So first we go to the home page by pressing the on button. It always takes you to the home page. We press new document. We go, no, we don't want to save this. We pick option 4, lists and spreadsheets. Press OK. It gives you a spreadsheet. We throw our data in here. So 12, 17, 5, 4, 13, 101, and 17. Okay. Now that I have this data in here, all I have to do is perform the statistics on it. So I got to press menu, statistics, stat calculations, one variable statistics. Just press OK. Now it should say A for the list because our stuff is in the first column. If yours doesn't say A, you should switch it to that here, but it should say A. Press OK, and it's pumped out all of our data there. Now to find the mean, we go to X hat, and it's 24.148, which compared to what we got in class is the same. It's the same value, so we did it. Alright, now let's go down and find the other useful piece of information, the median. It's 13, which is the same one we got in class by crossing stuff out. So this is just a shortcut to getting these. It's very useful when you have huge data sets, and the value of doing it on the calculator is I can change the data over here. Like say I messed up and I should have typed in 19. Instead of having to redo everything, it just changes everything on the fly. The median didn't change, but the mean up here is now 24.4285 instead of 24.143. So it's changed. So this is really powerful and useful. So I'm going to change that one back, and I'm going to do the thing where I make a chart with this. So to add a chart, we do Control Doc. What that does is it adds a new tab up here. Our spreadsheet is in tab 1.1, and now we're in tab 1.2 with something new. We don't want another spreadsheet. We actually want to go down to Data and Statistics, which is the 5th option. And it says no lists in this problem. Alright, well that's a problem. We need to add a list to this problem. So you can use this as a scratch pad, go up and select 1.1. We got to name our list. So I could name this donuts. There we go. Its name is donuts, that category. Now I go back to 1.2, and all of a sudden I have stuff on my screen because I now have a named list that I can put in my chart. Now this is not a useful chart, like 17's up here, 101's down here. What does that even mean? Well, we got to attach these values to something. So we go down to the bottom here, click to add variable, and we throw donuts there. Oh, that looks way better. We have a dot plot now, but a dot plot isn't a good way of representing this data. We have the 100 way out here, and all of our stuff's all like bunched up over here, so let's look at more ways. Now, if the problem asks you for a dot plot, this is what you would make. But if it asks you for something different, you can get a box plot. A box plot looks like this. This is pretty descriptive of what's going on. We have a little arm there. We have big boxes saying most of our data is here. And then we have one little data point way out here. You can also make this into a histogram by selecting histogram under plot type. And to get to plot type, just to remind you, menu, it's the very first one, and you just select stuff out of here. So we can make a whole bunch of useful plots on our calculator. That's it for this video.